Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make zoom on YouTube videos. Let's start. Open up YouTube. Click to play any video here. Rotate your phone to see the video in full screen, or click on the full screen icon from the bottom right corner. If you want to zoom in the video, just pinch to zoom like you do in any photo or video from gallery. You can zoom it as much as you want. You have the options to zoom from 8x to 4.3x. You can choose it as per need. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.